So I'm here at the Westin Hotel in San Diego at this conference. International lawyers from all over the world are here talking about entrepreneurship, innovation, and collaboration between attorneys from all over the world. And I'm actually about to go on a panel.
What we can expect, but then also to give them a sense of what's market.
And in this video, I wanted to talk about how entrepreneurs actually come to America. Have you ever wondered how is that possible? Well, watch this video and I'll tell you how. In this video, we're going to talk about how entrepreneurs actually able to come to the United States. How are they actually able to enter, start companies, do what they're doing here. There are certain ways that they can do it, and it really varies for different entrepreneurs, but there are only certain ways where startup founders can come to the United States and launch their companies. So the number one way for a startup founder to come to the United States and launch a company is through the O1A Visa. If you already have a startup in your home country, if you're already an entrepreneur, you establish yourself as an extraordinary ability person in business, and you can demonstrate the requirements of that O1A Visa. We've done quite a few videos on that visa. You're able to come to the United States, obtain that visa because you're about to launch your company, because of your high skills and your achievement, and get an O1A Visa to work either in your company or in another company that's going to use your skills. The second option is through the L1A Visa. If you're a startup founder, an entrepreneur, and you already have a company in your home country and you want to launch in the US, you can set up a subsidiary or an affiliate of your startup in your home country and come here as an executive, either a CEO or a CTO, one of those top VP positions, and obtain an L1A Visa to launch your company in the US. The third option is through an E2 visa as an investor. So while you're starting your company and you may seek an investment from other large investors, you can actually set up your own entity to be the consultant for that company and move to the US under the E2 visa to be able to be close to your venture, be here as a valuable resource for your startup, and actually relocate for a period of up to 5 years at a time to launch your company. So the E2 is a mini investor visa. Once again, we've done quite a few of those videos about this visa in great detail, but in this video, I want to mention there's another option for an entrepreneur or a startup founder to come down to the United States. If you are from Mexico or Canada, you're able to come to the US on a TN visa and be part of the company that you launched here as an advisor or as in a high-level position if you're as an engineer, to be able to be part of this whole launch process. So again, TN visa is also an option for startup founders that are coming if they're Canadian or Mexican. Another option is the E1 visa. It's a treaty trader, and usually it's reserved for trading goods and services, but the E1 visa also has an element of technology. So if you're coming with an idea, or if you have patent rights and you're starting a company in your home country, you can set up a company in the US as a founder without really investing anything and coming here just because of the trade in technology, and you can move here and start a company on the E1 visa. We've done quite a few of those E1 visas recently for a founder from Israel who started an amazing company in the sports business, and because of his patents and rights, he was able to open his company in the US using the E1 visa. And finally, as a founder, you can also get a green card under the national interest waiver. So if you don't want to get a visa, but you want to go straight for the green card, if you're really, really highly successful and you can show to the government that your innovation is within that level, you can get a green card as a national interest waiver founder because of your technology or because of what you've done, and remain in the country this way. So these are the main options how founders actually come to the US. People that are started Google, worked in Yahoo and WhatsApp, Zoho, and many other foreign-based companies that were launched by global entrepreneurs. Many of them used either the O visas, or the NIW or L visas, and were able to come here and start their own companies. So there's so many options out there, and I just mentioned a few of them. There are other visas that are available, but those are the main ones that we do for founders. So if you like this video, please leave me a comment. Let me know what other content you'd like me to create. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of amazing videos for you. And I'm going to go back right now to the seminar and jump on my panel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.